Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today we will review Global YO Esim, and this is simplifies international connectivity guys by offering reliable service in multiple countries, and it is provide guys flexible and this plans tailored to short term and long term. So guys, needed is activation is straightforward and through QR code and stop compatible with smartphone and tablet, and this offers multiple device and from cost activity option, and you can save compared to traditional service. And SIM does guys deal travelers seeking seamless and affordable connectivity worldwide. If you guys found this video helpful, then don't forget subscribe, like, share this video. This is good guys, eSIM. You can try this, and I hope this video helpful for you guys. See you on other videos soon. Keep watching.